Okay, today we're going to look at a couple of things that can be done with a 2-liter bottle in a survival situation. Okay, another good use for a 2-liter bottle is a water filter. If you're in a survival situation or even at home, and there's a need for filtering the water, take your plastic container, cut the bottom out of it, and then we're going to use this part to make our filter. Take a piece of cotton cloth, cotton sock, cotton t-shirt. T-shirt, here's what I've got. A piece of cotton t-shirt will work just fine. We're going to place it in the bottom. Right down into the hole there. See here. Then we're going to move up to the campfire and take some of the coals from the campfire and put it in on top of that. Now we'll take on top of this and we'll put some sand, a little layer of fine sand on top of this. And then on top of the sand we're going to find some gravel to put on top of the sand, and that'll make your water filter. Just boiling water alone won't get rid of everything. It'll get rid of 3 of the 4. But then if you'll filter it through a charcoal filter, which is basically what we have here now that we've added this ash, and we can help get rid of some of the chemicals that might be in the water as well from runoff, like pesticides and herbicides that may be used around the house or in the fields, farmers' fields, or in the gardens. And this will help us to filter that water. Of course, then we'll still boil it afterwards. So let's go find some sand now to put on top of this ash. Okay, you can see here where we've got the coals from the fire. Now, when you're selecting these coals, you want to make sure that the fire you get these from, they didn't burn any plastic or any cans or anything like that in it. It's just wood ash. And you also want to make sure that the wood that was used was natural, wasn't treated or painted or anything like that. Okay, we found some sand. We're going to add that to our filter now. Put it on top of the ash. Okay, so we've got our sand, we've got our ash, we've got our cotton, and we're going to get some rocks, put them on top here, and we'll have our filter. Okay, now here we have gravel we're going to add. And there you can see we've got the filter, the gravel, the sand, the ash, and the cotton. Okay, you can see there in the Dairy Queen cup we've got some dirty water, and then we've got a clean cup we're going to filter the dirty water into using the filter we just built. There it is, filtering water. Of course, you still want to boil the water after filtering it this way. The best place to get your sand and your rock is in the bottom of a stream, a creek, where you'll find your best sand and rock, and it'll already be soaked so that it'll start the filtering process a lot quicker than what we had here. And the sand will be cleaner too. The sand that we got here was from the field over where the sand rock is, so it's actually got dirt mixed in it. It's not going to do as good a job.